Imagine designing at lightning speed, turning ideas into reality in seconds, and creating visuals that feel like magic. Sounds futuristic? It's happening now. AI is revolutionizing graphic design, and if you don't adapt, you'll get left behind. But don't worry, I've got something big for you. My brand new book, AI Powered Design: How AI Tools Are Changing Graphic Design, is your ultimate guide to designing faster, smarter, and better using AI. And that's not all. I'm launching a video series where I'll show you AI tools in action, from creating stunning designs in seconds to automating workflows like a pro. The future of design is here. Are you ready? Comment below. What's one thing about AI in design that excites you? Let's talk. Get ready for AI powered design, dropping soon. And don't miss the video series. Hit subscribe so you don't miss my video.